Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. First, go to the TikTok app on your mobile device. Here, go to your profile. Then tap on Menu on your top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Next, select the option of Account and Profile. Then select Editing Profile. Scroll down the list and tap on Other. After that, select the option Need More Help from the bottom of the page. Now type in that please help me unfollow everyone on my TikTok account. Hit the Submit button to send your request. This is the only way to unfollow everyone at once on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.